Hey friends, good to be with you this morning. Mitzi and I have become incredibly passionate about helping our clients change the way they live, and we've discovered that one of the things that we need to be able to find out to help them change the way they live is to learn what their external and internal motivators are. So an external motivator for a client may be, I want to update my kitchen. That's the what. Internal motivator would be, I want to spend more quality time with my family, and that's the why. That's the compelling thing that carries so much emotion.
Right.
And this week, Mitzi wrote a blog article about one of her greatest passions, which is gardening. And I'd love for you to share, how did you get into that? Because it's really changed the way we live.
Right, yes. Several years ago, I experienced a health crisis, as many often do sometime in their life. And I realized that one way that I could help transform the way that we lived and I lived was to eat healthier, and that would help me to heal. So in order to do that, I started out just testing out growing my own food and growing organically, without chemicals, without all the junk. And
your mom got us started on that, right?
Right. My mom helped invest in the first 2 garden beds that I got, and she loved it too because it gave her an opportunity to spend time with me. But anyways, I just fell in love with it. I fell in love with going out and picking all the vegetables, making our own salads at home, eating everything that we brought in, and the kids started helping out. It really has changed the way we live. Now I have 6 garden beds, and I have raspberry bush field and a few blueberry bushes, and in the summertime we try to eat as much as we can from our own yard, and it's really changed the way that we live. We eat
now
healthier.
You're inspiring other friends to do the same and helping them with gardening.
Yeah.
And this is really a passion for us to just live this way, where we live it open and expressively, and hopefully can help as many friends as possible. So this is just one example of content that we provide on our newsletter. So go onto our website and register for our free newsletter. And of course, you can follow us on social media. But have a great day. We'll talk to you soon.